Certain Persons Attorney, Hackensack, New Jersey, Lustberg Law Offices, LLC. N.J.A. Criminal lawyer represents clients facing certain persons not to have weapons charges in Bergen County, Essex County, and Passaic County, New Jersey. In New Jersey, N.J.S.A. 2C:39-7 prohibits convicted felons, those convicted of certain misdemeanor crimes, documented alcohol and drug abusers, and those with certain mental illnesses from possessing firearms. An individual commits a certain person's offense when they are classified as not being allowed to possess firearms or other weapons and are then caught in possession of such a weapon. If you meet the criteria for a certain person's offense and are caught with a firearm or other weapon, you can be charged with both unlawful possession of a weapon and a certain person's offense. If convicted of these charges, the penalties are severe. Who isn't permitted to have a weapon in Hackensack, New Jersey? If you've been convicted of certain types of crimes or have a certain identified mental illness, you are not legally allowed to obtain a licensed firearm permit. If you fall under any of these classifications and are caught with a firearm, you could be charged with unlawful possession of a weapon and a certain person's offense. Specifically, those covered under the certain persons statute related to prohibition of gun possession have been convicted of the following crimes: homicide, aggravated assault, arson, burglary, extortion, child endangerment, domestic violence, domestic harassment, stalking, any weapons offenses. Penalties for certain person offenses if convicted under N.J.S.A. 2C:39-7 in Hackensack, New Jersey. The penalties for a certain person's offense vary, depending upon the degree of crime involved. A certain person's grading often depends upon the nature of the weapon possessed. If a certain person is caught with a weapon other than a firearm, it is fourth-degree offense. If the weapon possessed is a handgun or any other firearm, it is a second-degree offense. However, if the conviction is for a disorderly person's offense involving domestic violence, it is a third-degree offense. Second-degree felony, up to 10 years incarceration, a mandatory minimum 5-year period of parole ineligibility, and up to a $150,000 fine. Third-degree felony, a sentence of 3 to 5 years in N.J.A. State Prison and a $15,000 fine. Fourth-degree felony, up to 18 months incarceration and a $10,000 fine. As a defendant classified as a certain person in possession of a gun, you are facing a long, serious deprivation of your freedom. If you value your freedom, you should contact a qualified N.J.A. gun crimes attorney to fight for your constitutional rights and to protect you against a conviction for a criminal weapons offense. Contact an experienced Hackensack criminal weapons lawyer for a free consultation about your certain person's offense charges in New Jersey.